Minivans are very much in demand these days. No wonder they are in the model ranges of almost all manufacturers. Toyotas with the playful name Oppa began to appear on the Russian market. The model was produced since 2000 only for the Japanese market. Fans of right-handed have already paid attention to her. Many are attracted by modern design in the style of techno, and most importantly, versatility and comfort. The interior, unlike the exterior, is without sharp corners and other futurism. Everything is very traditional, functional, comfortable, but there is a twist. The salon in some versions is visually divided into two parts. The front seats are light gray, and the back row is black. An unusual color scheme, together with wide rear pillars, creates a special atmosphere of almost home comfort, separating the resting places from the rest of the busy world. The layout of the workplace is traditional for Japanese minivans. The automatic selector is under the steering column, the parking brake is a foot brake, and the electronic display that replaces the instrument panel is in the center. Its information is available only to the driver. A dark oval well is visible from another place. The design is based on conservative but time-tested solutions: front-wheel drive, McPherson suspension, hydromechanical gearbox. Toyota Oppa is very easy on the go, comfortable on small bumps, gently sloping road waves, does not fall in turns. Oops is really universal. The high ground clearance of 160 mm is combined with good dynamics and a top speed of 190 km/h. In 2003, Oppa was modernized. Outwardly, it has not changed, but the engine has grown up in volume to 2.0 liters, and the transmission has become continuously variable.